Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back into another video of fancade, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the sound of a wind block. If you guys don't understand what I'm saying, I meant when you win a game, you wanna know how to make the sound. So let me first click on that plus icon, and I'm gonna go into my kits and my game script and my goal. Yeah, I'm gonna choose off this from my maze kit. I'm making some sort of level. Okay. Okay. So now this thing is how the game works. I told you guys in the previous video I watched a video how to make this thing, so I actually did it, but I did some changes like the gravity and the name and lots of things like that. Okay, so that is how the game works. Now here is our win block. And, okay, let's open that, and this is how we win. So if you guys don't know how this works, let me just go into maze kit and let me grab Joseph. Okay, so let's wait, sorry, let's say I'm gonna place this like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna put myself on there. And wait, so let me play the level. So here I can control the game, and then if I click here I can move, and then if I jump there, if I get on this win block, I win, of course. But we want to make sounds, so I'm not really sure how to do this. I've never done this before, but I'm still learning how to use this fancade game. So let's go into the sound folder. We'll grab play sound block, and I don't even know what I'm doing, but let's choose a sound. Yeah, that sounds like a wind sound. Okay, so it's pad. Okay. Oh my god, stop! Disconnect that. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Wait. Uh, guys, I'm standing. I stood on the wind block and it's not working. Alright, hold up. Okay. So we can't connect before and before. How do I do this? Wait. Maybe we can try connect to this? Yo! Wait, you guys heard for a moment. Again. There you have it. Oh my god, I never thought I'd been doing that, but I did it. Wow. First thing I learned all by myself. How to play sound when you win. Wait, let's try other sound. Okay. Oh yeah, that sounds cool. Oh my god! That works. You guys can go try this right now. Like right now, you guys can try it. Okay, I guess that's the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.